Here is how to replace a 1997 MK3 Jetta ignition switch. I've already got it partially started. So first, go ahead and start with removing the shrouds. Right here, there's just two screws that come out from the bottom right here. Next, you're going to go ahead and get under the car, your pedals. You're going to go ahead and remove this piece right here. Next, there's a cover right here. Comes off with two little screws right here. They're quick snaps. Right here, these quick turns. Like that. There's two of those. And that pulls out. Then you're going to come back up and go ahead and make sure you remove all 6 of these wire harnesses. So 1, 2, here's the ignition switch that you're going to want to replace back here. 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a GL model. So this is the number of wire harnesses that are held on here. Then there's a screw that goes in right there. It's this screw right here. I went ahead and got a Dremel and slotted it. Otherwise you have to use vice grips the first time. I've done this, gotten in here a few times, so it comes off really easy right now. Also, these right here hold on that last little cover over the steering column. I used a Dremel and made the slots a little better. Made it easier for the screwdriver. Then gonna have to go ahead and get 13mm wrench and ratchet right here, and then this comes off, this nut, and then this bolt has to come out because it's slotted, so it won't allow for the shaft to come out, and then you can be able to pull out your whole column. There's a spring up here. Make sure that you capture that, and then have this all clocked, all straight, because you have to get it back into the spline. When you put everything back in, go ahead and that brass screw, have that out. That has to be pulled out because it goes against that black area with the silver metal. And then you got to make sure that gets clocked back up when you put it back in. And then also, just to make sure for airbag safety, go ahead and pull your battery terminals, disconnect it. I did this last night and made sure that any energy in the capacitors was fully discharged. Now the whole column just slips out like that. Really easy. And then you go ahead and find your ignition switch on the back side, and here is the screw that you got to go ahead and remove. So go ahead and just use a small little set like this and come in and screw that. And I already got it pre-screwed off. Pull it off. And then out comes your ignition switch. And there's the old one, and there's the new one. This was having problems with starting. It would turn over, but wouldn't get power to the computer.